Hi there, students. A vintner. Vintner. Okay, a vintner is a person. This is a profession. A vintner is either a person who makes wine, a person who grows grapes and makes wine. So, if you have a vineyard and you produce wine from your vineyard, you are a vintner. The other meaning is a wine merchant, somebody who buys and sells wine. Okay, a vintner, somebody who buys and sells wine. Okay, these are two great words. They're both a bit formal, yeah. But vintner. Notice the origin. Well, both of these words come from wine. Yeah, wine is related to this. Let's see. The plant that you grow grapes on is a vine. Yeah, and from the vine you get the grapes and you make wine. The origin comes from French vinitier, a wine merchant or a grape harvester, which comes from medieval Latin vinetarius, a wine dealer, from vinetum, a vineyard, from vinum, wine. Okay, so the origin's very clear. I think as to formality, I'm probably going to give this 6.5 to 7. It sounds rather posh and rather literary. I think more informally, in an informal conversation, either a wine merchant or a winemaker. Yeah, but a vintner is a great word to use. Somebody who manufactures wine or somebody who buys and sells wine. Okay, so I'm going down to the vintner to get some good bottles of claret. Yes, or maybe I went to Bordeaux in France to go round some of the chateaux and talk to the vintners, the winemakers. Okay, so a vintner, a great, rather formal, rather literary word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A vintner, somebody who makes wine or somebody who buys and sells wine.